Apple just added a brand new Pride wallpaper in iOS 26.5, and it comes with an amazing animated lock screen effect. But after updating to the latest iOS version, a lot of users are saying the new Luminance Pride wallpaper is missing, or simply not showing up on their iPhone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the hidden LGBTQ Pride wallpapers and get the smooth animation working on your lock screen. And if the wallpapers still don't appear on your device, don't worry. I'll also share the fix that worked for many users. So make sure to watch till the end and check the link above plus the description below for all the steps. In this video, I'll show you a few solutions that may help fix the issue. First, make sure your iPhone is fully updated to iOS 26.5. To check this, go to Settings, then General, and tap Software Update. If an update is available, install it first. Next, try force restarting your iPhone. Sometimes new wallpapers and features don't appear properly until the device refreshes after a restart. If the Pride Luminance wallpaper is still missing, there's another important thing you should know. Apple sometimes rolls out certain features only for newer iPhone models, like the iPhone 17 series or iPhone 16 Pro models. In some cases, features are also released region by region, so not every user gets them at the same time. That's why I recommend sending feedback directly to Apple. The more users report the issue, the faster Apple may expand support or fix the rollout problem. I'll also show you where to send feedback and what to do next if the wallpaper still doesn't appear on your iPhone.